Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Now I know my ABC. A is for apple. A is for apple. This is apple. This is apple. B is for ball. B is for ball. This is ball. C is for cat. C is for cat. This is cat. D is for doll. D is for doll. This is doll. This is doll. E is for egg. E is for egg. This is egg. This is egg. F is for fish. F is for fish. This is fish. This is fish. G is for goat. G is for goat. This is goat. This is goat. H is for hand. H is for hand. This is hand. This is hand. I is for ink. I is for ink. This is ink. This is ink. J is for juice. J is for juice. This is juice. This is juice. K is for king. K is for king. He is king. He is king. L is for lion. L is for lion. This is lion. This is lion. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. This is monkey. This is monkey. N is for nest. N is for nest. That is nest. That is nest. O is for orange. O is for orange. This is orange. This is orange. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. This is penguin. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. This is queen. This is queen. R is for red. R is for red. This is red. This is red. S is for sun. S is for sun. This is sun. This is sun. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. This is tiger. This is tiger. U is for uncle. U is for uncle. He is my uncle. V is for violin. V is for violin. This is violin. W is for wheel. W is for wheel. This is wheel. This is wheel. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. This is X-ray. This is X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. This is yo-yo. This is yo-yo playing. Z is for Joe. Z is for Joe. This is Joe. This is Joe. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe this channel.